In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zapier workflow that takes emails from Gmail, sends them to ChatGPT for processing, and then saves the results in Notion. We'll be building a simple automation that helps you turn incoming emails into organized, actionable information. This is especially useful if you want to capture summaries, tasks, deadlines, sender details, or priority levels without having to manually copy everything over yourself. To get started, sign into Zapier. Once you're in your dashboard, click Create and start a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects different apps together. And in this case, Gmail will be the trigger that starts everything. For the trigger application, select Gmail. Then choose the type of trigger you want to use. Depending on your workflow, you can use new email if you want every incoming message to be included, new labeled email if you only want emails with a certain label, or new starred email if you prefer to manually mark the emails you want processed. Choose the option that best fits how you manage your inbox. Next, connect your Gmail account to Zapier. Once it's connected, test the Gmail trigger using a sample email. This step is important because it lets Zapier pull in real email data, which you'll use in the next part of the automation. Now add ChatGPT or OpenAI as the next action. This is where the email gets analyzed. Set up the prompt so ChatGPT can either summarize the email or extract specific details such as the task, deadline, sender, and priority. To make this work properly, insert the Gmail email content directly into the prompt so the model has the full context of the message. Keep your instructions clear so the output is easy to map later into Notion. After that, add Notion as the final application. Choose either Create Database Item or Create Page, depending on how your Notion workspace is structured. Then connect your Notion account and select the correct database where you want the information to go. Once that's done, map the Gmail and ChatGPT outputs to the appropriate Notion properties. For example, you can place the summary in one field, the task in another, the deadline in a date property, and the sender or priority in their own columns. Careful mapping here makes the workflow much more useful later. Finally, test the complete workflow from start to finish. Check that the information appears correctly in Notion and that each field is being populated as expected. If everything looks good, turn on the Zap. From that point on, your email to Notion automation will run automatically and help keep your incoming information organized.